All of a sudden, my garbage disposal stopped working. I was just wondering what it could be. I would push the button and nothing happens, and just was bewildered. I came down below and I pushed the reset button here and tried it. It didn't click, so it wasn't the reset button. And I checked the plug here, and it seemed to have juice. So this is a quick fix. I'll show you what to do. Looking on the internet, I found out these are an air button. It's actually pushing air through a tube. So I came underneath and I found out that the tube was right here, disconnected from the bottom of the unit here. See that little piece sticking down there? The tube fits down underneath that. So I'm going to trim the edge of this because it got spread out. So I trimmed the piece. You can see how it's flared out there in the end. Now I got a nice clean cut. I'm going to plug it in down here. Okay, it's down here. I will attempt to plug it in right here. Push it up nice and tight. See that? Just make sure it's in there good. And let's go up above and see if it works. There we go. That's all it took. It was just an air hose. Hope this helped. Please like and please subscribe if this helped you out. Thank you very much.